Oh snap, here we are guys. We got 300 loaded up, Cole's in the back. I said back behind me, but we're off to the compound. A little intro real quick, and let's get into it. Oh snap, we're here. Oh snap. Hey, you got suspension on there? Oh, yeah. We got the compound. About to get nasty out here. We got the gator boots on. Let's go. Come on. Uh-oh, there we go. Gotta get bad. Gotta get bad. Too easy. Out here riding the ditch line on the side of the road. Uh-oh. Gotta start working it. I got too bad. Gotta push her out. Oh, snap. Watch this. Right here. Nope. Not that deep. Gotta lie. I thought it'd be deeper. I know that's deep out there. Might have to set the tripod up to try it.
Yeah, that's fucked. Yeah, no shit, Sherlock.
Yep, that's on top of being too deep. The current caught me. My tires are crap, so you guys know how that goes. Don't want to get stuck in there. Oh! That's good. That was a close one.
That was a real close.
This hole gets bad. I almost lost a mini bike in here one time. Straight flowing water. Down there to the other side, you can't see. But hey, look at that Capri Sun thing over there. He gone. All right, we're gonna get out of here before we break the bike. All right, guys, this is not normally as deep. I'm doing a little test walk right now. Oh snap! Yep, that's deep. Oh crap! We're about ball sack high. Oh, it's getting deeper.
Hey, belly button creek.
Literally. I want to cross it, but I don't think we will today. It's pretty bad.
Look at that boy. Belly button.
Over here on the other side now. It's pretty deep.
Hey, is he riding a four-wheeler down there?
I might need my kayak, guy. You got my scuba gear?
He is. You can see a snorkel. Oh, damn.
Let's
Shut you up, huh?
see if we can zoom in. I can't see. I don't see anyone down there. Oh, there he is, a little blue guy down there. Big boy snorkel coming soon. We'll hit this. We got a guy down here in the boat. Let's see what we got. Oh, snap. Look at this. On the boat. It's deep out there. We got Big Peyton's half sister right here.
This is Big
Charlotte.
Big Charlotte.
Oh, damn. The current's taking them.
Dude, that thing's so quiet underwater.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. Can't steer. Oh, dude, it's gonna get hairy. Hey, stay on that throttle, buddy. All right, good. That, my friends, he understood that throttle. He's a Honda boy. A Honda boy.
Got 12 o'clock, guys. 12 o'clock. Uh-oh, he might be stuck. Come on! Yeah, out here, you never know what hole's gonna be like what. So it could be nice and easy. Next thing you know, the whole bike's gonna sink. So for all we know, these things are nice out here. Look, it just dropped. I bet this one's bad. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Yeah, where you are? Alright, I'm gonna set you up. Let's see what we got here. Alright, let's try this one more time. Alright guys, we just left the compound. It started raining pretty bad. We made it out before anything broke. As you seen, it gets a little wild out there, just a little bit. But thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Snorkel will be a quick and easy fix. I think we're gonna go 4 with probably an addition, another 2 feet added to it maybe. Might have a quick add if we need it type of thing. I don't know. We've been talking about it. But yep, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video, because who knows where we'll be at. We might be back at the compound. We might be back down in Fellsmere. All right. Thanks for watching.